In this video, you'll learn how to sign in to your eBay account using either a web browser or the mobile application. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to access your eBay account easily and securely. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type the official eBay website URL and press enter. If you are using a mobile device, you can also open the eBay application if it is already installed. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign in option located at the top right corner of the page. Tap or click on this option to proceed to the login page. It is crucial to ensure you are on the official eBay website to maintain the security of your account. Once you reach the sign in page, you will see fields designated for your email address or username and password. Carefully type the email address or username associated with your next. Enter your password in the designated password field. Be vigilant to avoid any typing mistakes, as these will prevent you from signing in. If you are unable to remember your password, you can use the forgot password link to initiate a password reset. Follow the instructions provided by eBay to recover access to your account. After entering your login credentials, click the sign in button to submit your information. eBay will then verify the credentials you provided. If everything is correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. This is where you can browse products, place bids, and manage your purchases all in one convenient location. From your account dashboard, you can also update your account settings, including payment information. It is important to keep your account information current to ensure a smooth shopping experience. If you are using a public or shared device, remember to sign out after you finish your session. This practice helps protect your account from unauthorized access and keeps your personal information secure. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.